Umoja.
Rasta. Now, tell me, for how long have you been doing this? Now, you know you are in deep trouble. If you don't want trouble, don't do any giddy.
But Mr. What's the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of what? Is it about the female panties or the cameras? Hey, is it about the cameras?
Mr. T, please.
Every day for thief man, 1 day for murder. Hey, don't beg me. Am I God? Am I God? If you don't take time, you chop the blade. Chop the blade. Hey, let's go. Move. Hey, do you know me? Jump. Jump. Ah. Hey, you think I'm joking? I said jump.
I'll jump.
Jump.
Mr. T, I'll jump.
I said jump. Jump.
Hey.
Jump.
Hey.
Criminal. Come up. Climb up. I can see you are wondering, I see. And I'm sure you are wondering how I caught you, eh? When you are beating your friends to it. When a friend, a fear, common sense. You are using technology. And I went underground. Oh, mumle. Oh, no, when mumle temia. Can you dive in stones? Can we dive in stones? So you mumle tejiami. Alidu.
Mr. C.
Alidu. Look. Alidu. This is a top secret.
Okay.
Okay.
I understand.
You understand?
Consider it handled.
Don't forget it's a top secret.
Mr. T, I'm your man.
Good.
Thank you.
Good. If sea dry, we go by land. If they use technology, we go underground. Oba mumble etani, uwene oba mumble eteji amina yele. Aba tashinag.
Yes?
Oh, so sorry. Routine maintenance checks, sir.
No need. Everything is fine.
Oh, good. But I still need to look at the sockets and the like.
Come in.
Thank you, sir. Let's see.
Hey, Masa. What's up?
Sorry, I was just. But hold on. What's that?
What's up? Masa, into what?
Hidden sockets, sir. Socket. Oh, you have 3 screens.
Does it matter? I develop software. I'm a software engineer. Plus, I dabble into video editing.
Oh, software engineer, video editing. Wow. Oh, do you mind?
Yeah. Gentlemen, is everything all right?
Oh, everything is fine, sir. Everything is fine. You may continue with your software engineering, or is it video editing? Software engineer.
It didn't crash the 701.
Rasta. Hey, look, you have my own spy ring, you know. Yes, I have my own spy ring. Yes. And look, even in technology, it always boils down to human factor, right? Oh, hey. Wow. Rasta. Look, have you eaten? No. So this is what you eat, eh? Rasta. You are a fake Rasta. You mean a Twitter no chame we mommy fluffy ona. E mommy fluffy ga banku ono. Banku ani agblemaker facho ona. Ni ba emi awa fi na be ni ga me wo banku yo ni emi kan dey fi bede ani emi awa ono. Na gbe na o twa e mommy ka po flom ona. No ota gongo mi ke adode. Ona gonga do no oya anti miracle je no e abugule no ni wa. Nso wole oni wa fi oni nke wole oni wa ni ke shoyin ke chile ke shoyin come o ani chile fi ai chile icho machabo onu machabo ego bo woni no fi machabo here
Mr. T, I have good news. I have the information you need.
Are you sure?
Yes, I do. I have the name of the student.
Hey, that is good news. Look, bring the profile. Bring the profile. Are you sure your information is authentic?
Mr. T, you can trust me.
Good. This is Abigail. Obayan.
Mr. T, this is the guy.
This is the guy?
This is the guy.
Okay. Are you sure it's the guy?
This is the guy, Mr.
T.
Find
It's in the rope.
Mr. T.
You go into the cooler. You see monkey, you put the rope around their waist.
Yeah.
I mean, okay, are you sure it's the guy?
Mr. T, this is the guy. I can assure you.
Hey! When were you here? Were you here in Haban? Okay, so now tell me. On a more serious note, what do I do with you? Tell me.
I know you're a smart man.
What do you mean?
You won't let a good opportunity like this pass by.
Opportunity? Eh?
Knowledge is power. I could work for you. Imagine all this is at your disposal.
Rasta, look at him. Look, you are good. You are very, very good. Rasta. You are Rasta. Do you speak Ghana?
No.
It's good you don't understand Ghana. But of you Oekwan. Nko ba shushu a shino wa pele butu. Onlo. Kashi be. Because ba apology am we ono. O wa tuni ono. But do you have the current ones? Let me see the current ones. Wow. You see, you have to name the files so it will be easy for you to open. You see, so you interchange the files. You have been employed, so listen to what I'm saying. Yeah. You see, so this one you have to maybe give it a date. This Rasta. These are beautiful ones. So wow. But your camera, can't you zoom in? Zoom in for me. This particular one. Wow, look. Yeah.
Mr. Tete!
What is it?
Didn't you hear me calling you? Mr. Tete! Oh, wow. Looks like someone is feeling cheeky today, huh? I thought we had a deal.
Deal? What deal?
Give me one good reason why I shouldn't report you to the authorities.
Oh, report me for what?
For trying to rape me.
Please, bring down your voice.
Good.
Try to... how can I rape you? Is it? Please tell me, what do you want? Please.
Hey!
Please.
Now you are getting the drift. Listen, I'm not going to pay for the following services anymore. Laundry,
Okay.
internet, and the gym. This body that you've been admiring doesn't trim itself. Yes. Plus, I need my room swept twice a day. For free.
Okay, madam.
Good.
You are who?
Mr. Tete! Mr. Tete! You are treading on dangerous ground. Mr. Tete! Mr. Tete! Gently.
Shock at yourself, eh?
Where did you get this from?
Look, don't worry where I got it. You have to be worried about the content. Yummy, die. Oh, so friendly. Oh, Obedi, so. Show me one again.
Congrats. I am sparing you for now. I believe you'll be a good SRC president. I have my eyes on you.
Inke wa ima komi egbekemba. Na mwana mi ni fale kemi ya na mo ekoma na eba ele mi inke choko kwa be mi po na mwana mi ni fale kemi ya tete na mo ekoma na eba ele mi. Now listen, you work for me. You shall obey my commandments. Come on, stand up. Sit. Stand, jump. I said jump, sit down. Stand. Now, kwa. I said kwa. Jump. Jump. Keep jumping. Hey, sit down. Don't sit, stand. Do kwa. Kwa. Up. Kwa. Now sit. I said stand. I didn't say sit. I said stand up. How dare you? Stand up. I said sit. You are standing. I can't do here. Stand up. Did I tell you to sit? I said sit. You are standing. Well, are you a confused young man? You have an uncomfortable mind. Then. Stand up. Sit down.
Imagine that. But it was kind of funny, you know. Hey! See. What's that? That's a charm. A charm? What is she picking up? I need to challenge. I need to see. See what she did.
not the first to steal.
You've been pilfering.
Listen, I can explain.
You can explain what, madam? Evidence. See evidence. Why, see. Take away. And eavesdropping. Now wait, oh. What were you doing behind Giselle's window? Explain. Echa. Is your fee there?
I wonder. Now you want to know? Yes, your fee is there. Please.
I will share.
Hey, it is stolen food. It is stolen food.
We will share.
Yes. Oh, come in. Please, ladies, what can I do for you?
Indeed. We are here about Big Brother.
Sorry?
Manager 1. The word is, privacy has been banished from this hostel.
Look, I still don't follow.
Who is spying on us? We hear there are hidden cameras everywhere.
Hidden cameras?
Yes.
Look, I only know of intruding human eyes and those who pilfer.
What are you insinuating?
Who the cap fits? Let them wear it.
But that's very rude, Mr. Tete.
Look. I'm very sorry. But look, I got a lot of complaints about a female resident who has made a career out of knowing other people's business. Can you imagine? Okay, in the absence of any further discussion, I think I'll move for the meeting to be adjourned.
What am I to do? He has me by the balls, you know.
But you do have another option.
No, I don't. I don't. I don't.
Think about it. It may be disruptive initially, but it could yield dividends. After all, you are SLC president, and there's no discriminatory clauses barring you.
You were joking, right? You mean I should come out here in this country? That would be the end of my life.
Tell me, what kind of life are you living now, anyway? My brother, the accounts have a saying. The slap that is inevitably yours. But that's why just take it.
Brah, it's true with you,
Seriously, I can't believe. Listen, I'm mad. I'm pissed. I can't believe you guys just stood there whilst you insulted me.
Sure. Well, his tone was rather harsh, but I don't think it was insulting. Don't take it personally.
I mean, what?
Oh, now listen. He had this knowing look, but the way he pointedly looked at a child. Sorry, sir. A child. Yes, you're right. I think he knows something.
We have to report him.
And what's the charge? We need solid evidence, not hunch or any suspicion or a charm. That's right. It's true.
Too long.
What's going on? What? He's come out. How?
I told you so. When I'm talking, I'm not here. Now you have seen.
Gay SLC president. Imagine.
Now you are here. I'm talk. You are not listening. Now you have seen with fresh boy. Now your fresh boy is living in your form. Jaisa, with fresh boy. And you say not here.
This time that she's right too.
Wow, shit. And come on, grown kwan udi. Sir! Put this guy. Put this guy.
Umoja